What's up guys, welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome to another movie. So this one it take kinda maybe have enough ideas he take, but anyways we work about to become about here. As you know, see down I take below. It's a full movie this time, not like the short film I did post before. Still working on the full movie for that one. And also remember for Obsession Part 2, we still need a person to act as the detective in it. So you just link me up to the important to the act. And thanks for your support, I really appreciate it. And just go and watch the movie, enjoy, stay safe, continue to support me, we appreciate it. Remember, go over to Kiera and Toga TV, subscribe and watch the prank them. Meanwhile, when you don't watch this, you know, I've got to watch, you know, go and watch them there. Meanwhile, until our next movie post. So big up on yourself, stay safe out there, and just watch the video out to the end.
Evening, Miss Barry.
Good evening, Roshan. How are you going now? How is school?
You know, saying not too bad, though. I'm just there going take his study serious and thing. But Kiera, you know, in there.
She's supposed to run her room there, you know. So how come you have under prayer and you're in a college there? And a rude boy wear them something there, you know. You're supposed to a college there?
No, man, I'm here, man. I don't know rude boy thing. I'm here. I can make it lay down some waves. You know waves?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, them things they are going there, so.
Okay.
Call Kiera, so.
Kiera! Kiera, come on. Roshan, come on, it's in call you.
You out the door? So yeah. Make him come now, man, a stranger.
Alright.
Can you show me in the room?
Okay. She say I can come in now.
She in there?
Yeah, sure, my room.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
I wonder how you're going to do that science exam today. Maybe I'm going to throw some away for you.
Don't study from the last night. Just a study.
You ready?
Yeah, man, yeah, you won't come.
Probably I forgot to stand inside of you. So you come and ask me about if you run. How many can I just come in?
I never told me see I wrote them the back. Sorry if you're gone. Because you kind of late now.
So come on now. You ready?
Take up a book and come on. So, remember, the Kiera, they forget to your mother, you know. It is something to remind.
Oh yeah, if you get teacher or something. Alright, I'm going to go to her and come back.
Alright, go now.
Alright, I'm come back. Wait.
Yes. What happened now?
I'm going to left now, so I did ask you if you did get you something. When did tell about the teacher said, because I eat. Roshan just come and remind me that the teacher did say we have to pay today. So yeah, we can get you right.
Yes, man, me have a man. Me have the bank here, you know. So, me go give you, and you draw the money. And when you finish, you get it back and give me.
Alright, yeah. Go on for now.
Here.
Alright, so how much me the same the exact what, right?
You can draw a little extra, prepare your taxi fare one come.
Alright, then I got that then. Alright, so they'll go back in the room and get my bag and we'll go left now here. So later we come when we come back. We are gonna cook today.
Rice and peas and pork.
Alright, for a moment I really wish I could have board for the school, but if we can't board, we can't board just so. Anyways, we are go fill my bag and we left now, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, so come on. Come on now.
Okay, book them there and you can get on back.
I don't want no bag, then I have to do it. me come back.
Yeah, Miss Barney.
Yeah, you take care.
Yeah, girl.
How you like that sitting there for buy?
Every time you come at me, I don't want to know everything. So I'm all school.
But I know say school alright and everything though. As I can see them two big old textbook they study every day. What go on with you? Everything alright?
Yeah, I don't know why you need if a textbook there. You like school or you just do this because, girl.
Of course, me like school, yeah, that, but the best thing for me right now, when time I left, we see the success after. So, I love when last I chat to Buckley's Papa.
That the man there, if I catch him now strangling me not need to call him. I'm supposed to come here do my own thing now. You go to school, just make sure you come out to something good so we can put him to shame. I don't like him, you know.
Boy, I tell you, but if mommy ever know, so we gonna look for you, I better come grow on before she know. So, me will call her later.
Your mother can too go on like a Christian and like me worst thing. Go on, come go on run to your Christian mother, go on. I can stay there selling river run very deep.
Good evening, honey. Oh yeah, I'm ready to so long for school. Look how long class over.
Mommy, you know, see, I'll see me go look for my sister. We go see how she doing. Just these stuff around her yard when me I come.
You go look for Lacey, your sister. That's a bad picnic there. I don't want you link with her, you know. You can talk to her up on the phone, but stay far from her.
But mommy and my sister, for my father said they can't tell me so my sister don't talk to the sister and go look for my sister. Plus she live near to the college, so I just stop and the check her.
I don't want you to stop her yard because she have bad influence and I don't want she to spoil you up.
Alright, take care dear. Thanks.
Okay. Kiera, hold on there. Why you pick up something from down at church for me?
What up, mommy? Where you want me to pick up for you?
Sister, come on now. I'll give you one bag with something for me. Just collect it.
Yeah.
And your uncle send you money, so you can collect that too.
If you collect it now before I
Yeah,
go?
yeah, collect it before you go.
Alright, mommy. You're making send the information to my phone, right?
Alright.
Alright. Get that in.
Mm-hmm.
Sister.
Girl, we are friends of me so far.
You know, see, I told me I got something I got in town, go David, to go back to the school at lunchtime. I can't come in.
Make sure your mother not have a problem, you know, because I can't take a job with that woman
She
there.
doesn't know nothing.
But I don't know, my mother stays there, you know.
I don't know.
And that's why I no offense, but I don't like. Talking about that, I'm put on this. You know, to the school. Every day you get up, you learn something at school. Every day you get up just up with that piece of scenario on the neck, gone to school. You know what, go do your thing what me I do. You know, see me shot or nothing.
Girl, boy, you're my bigger sister, you know, and you influence me about this and that. That is something where I do and something good for me. I can't manage them there something there. And a good something that you do if you stop to our mind. I know what I'm to you. Me alright with going to school, we get something more time. You know that.
Me tell her every day, you know, say you eat that, you follow your mother, and your mother rub off fine. You don't have no sense, you know. Kiera, you see, for one day your school fee can pay more, you come to me and make me run you. Because what me I do, I eat and make me survive right now. Going to school, what that I go do? You go to school, you go leave school and you not work. Same way, and you go. You know what? I don't know why we have a whole argument with you. Do anything you want, do what's best.
No, I see why my mother always told me to stay far from you. It's alright, I can't go dealing with me and deal with you.
Yes, go on, because your mother crosses. So you can't always stay far from me. Well, I'm not crosses. Go ahead.
Wait. Mother. She's here. And it's something in here. You're me at 25 I get here.
Okay.
Because today is Wednesday, so he really high. So I go in, I go in and all. So
Alright, thanks.
just reach in back here. Well, your face full of us. Where want to come back?
Say go home so early.
You know, say, mommy did said me go Western have to collect something for you this morning. But I never get through this morning, so I have to left class and then I go collect you and then I come up.
Yeah, so you alright though?
Yeah, me alright, you know, so I go look for my sister. Don't look for her, I left her from school because I need to go collect something in town to go back and I book her over she had sit down. She will tell me, say, me if you can't do what she do.
What she do?
You know, she go out at night time, see different man and get money or something.
So me change things if you can't do what she do.
Me don't want to her.
And she say, yeah, I got college to get something good out of life.
She has talk about me going to college, I get told of a subject the man and can't get the work. I don't know why she had the place before that. You have English test tomorrow?
Yeah.
You stay or you go?
Last year.
I know say it go kind of rough. But I don't know. We have to try something to see if I can board from school. Because every day I go, I pay a fare for here so to down in high town, from high town to down high school. Too much money, it don't make no sense. So I don't know if you can ask your brother them or your sister to send you money so I can board from the school, because it would be easier for me. Sometimes I can't get taxi when I reach when I saw the high class lecturers. The lecturer don't like when time I late either, because she say me her favorite girl. She don't want me to late because she say me have potential. So me ask her for please. See what you can do for me.
My Kiera, I don't really want to bother them, I don't want to pressure them.
You understand me?
So, I can't tell you, just want to juggle out things in the meantime, so till something turn up for you.
But me, if I even one chance I can get people stay somewhere closer to down that way there, so that I can just get one taxi or just one little walk go to school, that would be even better for me. So if I even feel for one little money where I can get for rent one little apartment, not even that money.
Alright. I'm going to try. See if I can contact them and see what can work out. Right?
Alright, mommy, and if you can continue then about pressure them if you don't want to. It's alright, we just wake up early enough, so if I have class 10, I left like from 8, so if you know so I can take 1 hour 8 to 9 get one taxi by 9 something we reach. Alright, mommy, so I go left you now.
Safe journey here.
Alright, thanks.
Dear. Huh? Her face looks so.
No, mommy, man. She me tell her say I want board and she say I can't board because she don't have it and sit and whatever. I tell her for you go and come and you have to come. We have high school, we have person to come meet me. I can't manage it.
Babe, stop worrying about them things, babe. I just time, due time, things are gonna work out. And me not no problem to come up and come meet you a morning time. Me not no problem. Me not do either. And school no start. And like say, me come up here and class start and me go late. Me come up here about half of my own. And me come up here for me to walk and we chat about things. If I not study, we go and walk and study. No problem there. Just time, you have to just take time. Your mother not work, you have to just bear with her a little bit.
Alright then, you ready?
Yeah man, I'm ready and just stop worry yourself. You hear me say?
Come on.
Just come on now and stop worrying yourself.
You know, so I come to you for access.
Ask me one. Me tell but you stop come on me now. You take this thing for joke.
You hear me out now, man? Sis, let me tell you. This man me ask mother if she can make me board for this school and she say she don't think it possible she go try. But me know say you work really you have enough money. So me ask her if you can just help me out to make me can board for the school and then we like pay you back after.
You know, you have the heart of a lion. After what day I sit down out the veranda and I talk to you about this thing. And you have the audacity. You remember your mama don't like me now? Remember? Your mother don't like me. And she go like she better than people. She should have find the money for you for board. I don't want to know about me because then again, me gonna take my money give you for go to school. You come out of school with a subject that may still not work. And me still go bad. That's a waste of money. I'll see about it.
Girl, mommy here to stay so just try help me out please. Me don't want you to say about it. Why help me out? No. So me can go to high school, go sort you out back tomorrow.
Listen to me. You're beg and at the same time you tell me say me fi see about it. Cause me fi just money the under me pillar so me fi just take up the money give you Kiera. Listen to you see if you the come do what me I do, you would do there so now this a problem man. You can't balance your half, you can't do that and do school. You would have maybe a drive, you have your own place you know. But no, you think with something else but you not think with your brain.
Girl, me not want you influence it, but put that in my head. Me not do that. Come on, me. You always want to tell me this. Yeah, my bigger sister here, do better and tell influence me head.
Man, leave me alone. And stop begging me things. Go on, go make your mother, your Christian
money.
mother. Go make your Christian mother find you. Make sure go look past her.
Alright.
Go on, man. When your mother find you, when your mother can't find you, make me know. And don't slam my door. Right.
Sis, you know, see how comes and say, we did tell you about finally make up my mind, man. It all kind of rough for me. I don't know how I'm going to do it with school and eat, but I'm going to try. Because since as a night, we would have go out and then they have school in the morning. I'm try and then we can see if we can leave early in the night. Because I really want a new place. I'm tell you the same mood. I really need to live so life and sit it. So finally make up my mind. So tell me how everything go.
Alright. She say you finally come to your senses. So, in the meantime, you can't stay no on 2 nights, nothing past that, because if we go 2 nights, you won't make enough money. Just free up yourself and stop no go and make your idiot to make enough money. And me I tell you, don't make your woman know say I'll make get this job. Because I know I have to trace her. So just do what you do. I don't know what you gonna tell her say you do. Alright, but don't make sure no say me get this job. Come out chase her.
Tell me for that. I don't tell me where we go.
So you can wait one step at a time. Me and everything can talk out the door with it. When we go in, I tell her what to do and how this thing work.
Alright. That's alright. So come in and come tell me everything I have to want. So go on.
What's here? We picked that up and tell me one house. This. And that may I say,
Sorry, you know, say when me at school, me I said we should have let you keep you. When me have good news, good news. Guess what? Me say, Mummy, it's a good thing, say. As I did say now, you have something to ask. Me ask the lecturer for the English class where we go. If no way the day when me can stay up on the dam, work and pay back. So what me I do now, they make me go be photographer for the school, cinematographer and the editor. So me go video or something and then me can get the opportunity to stay up on the dam and pay them. So me now go stay with them anymore. Me go move for the dam over high school.
that sounds good.
Yeah, Mommy, so you not have to bother text your brother or your sister and bother them. So go in, you know, go pop me excited. Me I wait till my boyfriend come over so we can tell me good news. Yes, Mommy, come now. You must stay.
Open the door for me.
I'm saying, Mommy, we have one bag of assignment for you.
Don't worry yourself.
Come. Yes, so the reason why I call you over to tell you one good news when we get today, I'm very excited. So my sister give me money. My sister give me money for rent for an apartment near school, so I not free to go back and forth, so it's easier for me. But I know yes not to my mother can tell her I say I get one opportunity to work in the school and stay on the dance. And don't say if you tell her nothing about my sister, she will get mad and say rate and whatever. So that me have to tell you.
Well, that's a good news still, if you know, say, you're the closest to the school and you know if you walk from take taxi from up so or way down so a good news that says so make sure say you know go do you see a miracle your sister doing remember if you know say you go link up with the sister now you kinda look one way if your mother will find out.
Me link up with my sister, no, so I'm not them. What my sister will tell you is nothing will fit my criteria for me do. And by the way, when we left school, I still have to go pay her back. If me left school and get something to do. She said my face maybe I have to pay her back. So I still have to go pay her back. So I'm not have them business with my sister. I'm not saying that. Anyways, for our English test tomorrow, come in, I go study or I go.
I go study because I have something to do meantime. My mother tell me to do something on the road, so I do something on the road and go study.
Alright then. Tomorrow.
Yeah?
Eh?
You know, say, me see cut from move coming here, probably
Here.
from move coming here, probably try change that climate with the kind of sick. So, me do your assignment them online and send them in. My classmates send me them.
So you shouldn't tell me come over here until me can take care of. They are who take care of.
Me no really not fussy, I just sign us bad for me, you know.
If you tell me them something, man, because I worry, I say, what happened to you?
Everything going
And you could have heard, you know? And you not tell me I'm not know nothing.
Everything I don't know really hard, you know.
If you tell me, man.
Actually, I'm saying us or something is that anyway. What happened with you? Everything alright? Because you not call me.
You know, so I'm kind of busy.
Busy for your girlfriend?
Not really that good. Me a whole bar assignment and plus not running business, remember?
Alright, anyway, my sister forgot to get the money to pay for your stuff. So, for now, you can drop me off.
You can drop you out the camera, go away there.
Mr. Girl, I'm glad to come to this 2 weeks. You did right. I mean, I'm one place already. I'm a lovely place to see just.
You glad to come do this and I fight me have to fight you for this? I say I always go still.
Why one thing do I mean I lie to my mother and my boyfriend. Cause my mother thinks say a boy me up with pan school and my boyfriend thinks say are you a pay a few place which I'm there.
Boyfriend? So me don't know what is a boyfriend. So what you are gonna tell that the man they say? You have to do something for someone there, girl. Me never know she have a boyfriend.
Girl, what you mean me have to do something before something to me? Then me and him live for 2 years plus. I remember him board pan school and me and him never board pan school. We thought what me have to do something. What you mean? Me don't understand.
So, oh, you say you're on this boy the 2 years now. And now what day you are telling me say you're not the money to pay you have, the boarding fee something. And this boy where you're on there 2 years now could pay it for you. Right? For sure you. And the man will just take up. He might pay your rent. He might buy food for you. He might make sure see your schooling alright and whatever. And you're gonna tell me say you can't leave him because you're on there 2 years now. So 2 years out of poverty that you know say not me tell you say you're not smart and all me I try grooming and this thing. Why man tell you? Well, if this a man find out say you and that the boy that they know say you done business cause he not go pay rent, so you have to go back to your mama yard cause you're not coming here.
So you try to tell me say me have to go left my boyfriend because I one man. So you have to find out girl. Me just make him come there in the night or in the early morning or something. Oh yeah, go on for you.
Me not try tell yourself left him. Me I tell yourself left him because you gonna look like idiot on the road. When everybody say yes you buy a big house or you're about to buy a car or something and then this man all of a sudden now you're going back to your mother house, people you're gonna look like idiot on the road. So me not try tell yourself left him. Me as a sister I tell yourself left him. A broke man them then see a school him a fee mother still take care of him school for everything. So if you want to be a dumbass and still there with him, you're gone.
Alright, done. Jesus got the extra. It's alright. We figure something out and left him. It's alright. I gotta look for my mother anyway, so I have to go put on back me. Or just something to make she still thinks that I got school. So just I gotta link her and then we just link up back later. So we have some of go tonight, right?
Yeah, your body not like a girl. Look where you little girl in here, you go change, you go to your mother.
Me not change.
So you go to your mother and that? Okay, so you go tell your mother say college party you going to school?
No, sis, me go tell her say I never have school today, I do some assignment and something like that. So I have one this and I just run and check her. But that me go tell her. You know my story already. Learn from the best. Later.
Good girl, gone bad, go on. You get tick door.
Mother?
Yes, here am I.
Good evening. You must have sent me that show.
Imagine. 2 weeks now. 2 weeks now. Yeah, not even come look if me live now, me dead. How are you there, sir?
No, sorry man, but as me tell you, my you say me have to work and me have to balance with the class what me I do. So I choose me at work, same time me have to go around the whole school and I take picture and video. Plus me did have exams straight. So for two weeks me busy and me have assignments we send in and all of this something there too. So sorry mommy, sorry. I'm saying me go come get a check it out. So we're going, everything alright.
But by the way, how are you dressed, sir?
Mommy, what you mean? What to be dressing?
Oh, you mean why me and her so you about your dressing? I saw you got class in them clothes there.
Mommy,
Them clothes they are sporting something, you know.
mommy, me go to class today and me go home go drop do the assignment them and then me go for that book here so me go come stay with her for the evening and then me make my boyfriend come pick me up. Because my drive now in father give me one car for his birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, mommy, so come on now, you cook pork and rice and peas, my favorite.
Yes.
Come on, I'm going to go get some of your food. Yeah, come on, restaurant. Come sit down. I'm going to talk to you. Yeah, just have something to chat to you about. Boys, I don't know another way to say this, but me have to go stop deal. Reason being,
Why?
my sister pay for you, so you know say you need to school for me, and we can't bother for you. Go back on my mother. Plus she give me money sometime. You realize you have a laptop me buying now.
That's not the reason.
You hear me I say no? You hear me I say no? My sister say she pay for you and you don't like her and she don't like her, so you can't come back here. So what you gonna do? This is gonna be the last time you will come here?
So true sister so that they're gonna break up.
Yeah, I'm done talk. And plus, you distract me.
Oh me I distract you. And only thing me ever influence you to do, I come to school, get your assignment then done and focus on the right thing. Me boy.
Sean, you don't talk?
Your sister not like me, you know. She a influence you for left me, you
You
know.
don't like her, that's why you make sense you come and say she pay for you, sir, Sean. And you know
So
work
we
what
done.
she do. We done.
They really have done everything, so.
Just like that. You can't afford to mash up my career. So the best thing you do is just go on. Go on, Sean, go on.
They will love you.
Sorry?
Yeah, my love, yeah, don't make it done like this. Yeah.
Just go on, Sean, man. Go
Yeah,
on.
stop no babe.
Go on. Go on. Go. I'm a sister place, you're not even help me parent. And you have money and anybody.
You never asked me to pay rent.
Go on.
Yeah, gonna swallow.
What going on? You good?
I'm not good enough because Kiera says she want to break up with me right now. I'm stressed out. I ask if you can talk to her for me, please.
Why reason why she said she want to break up with you? Why problem?
She has me distract her from her work. And a long time we are talking, so I don't know what happened. She just said, me distract her from my work, so we need to stop this so we have no one. We just don't understand.
The two one come to me and me have a talk with them. See if I can help you now, alright?
Well, you have to just call her and call me and then we come up here and then we talk. I don't even think she go and do that thing because she make up her mind already.
Alright, me go say me can talk to her, but you don't have to worry about that, alright? Things are alright.
I just go and do me I do. I just go and do me I do because from start to look a business, I try focus on him more, you know. Alright, so me see you then, yeah?
Alright.
No mistake. Continues.
Tonight is gonna be a good night. Wonder if Lacey ready yet. Tonight is gonna be a good night. Oh yes it is. Where my phone is, bro? Girl, you ready? What? You remember saying you have to come back home for my assignment, you know? You said, you know, remember saying you have to balance this with college. You mean you already, girl? What you mean me need to stop? Stop college and stop do assignments and then something there? But that business if when we start me I can make more money because I come home too early. I don't care. Girl, if this maybe I do if probably feel me one day, college work, college still there. Girl, stop a foolishness and just herb. I remember saying yeah, people they want to pick me up. And post me at this one me have one. You buy my phone? Buy my phone already, man. You just you piss me off right now, girl.
No mistake. Continues.
Ah! My boyfriend. Dave, come here and talk to that.
I'm lock the door.
We are like you door, man. Yeah, see if you do tonight.
Stop fooling.
I love you. I love you. You know what I'm saying? Love something very
Stop
funny.
laughing, man. Calm down.
Left me back me on our road, me and you, we're going through the road together. Ah. Da, da, da. Love you. We are going tonight.
Stop the foolish. Take off the bag.
What? We not take off for me, they're going to road tonight.
Take off the bag.
No, we are going to road tonight. Tonight.
You need to say jump.
You're not drunk. If you need jump,
Take off the bag.
we don't think of you. Go tonight.
Where you even come from this hours a night? Eh?
Eh? We are covered this one tonight, eh?
Yeah.
Clearly,
Yeah,
your
man.
cover look nice too much. You want to know where I come from? Alright, let me tell you where I come from.
One kid.
Me and my sister Lacey, we
Your
selling.
mouth all smell like rum.
You don't want to know where I come from,
Where
you
you
tell me where I
come
come from. Me and my sister Lacey, we go out on the road at night and then man stop. I would jump in that car, I would go. And then we take one shot, we just make with a real low way, so we don't know what.
Oh?
And then we come up with enough money, and that's why we can play for this beautiful place. And you think that's like our college, oh mommy, nice college, daughter. College boring.
You do work with your sister do.
Yeah. Wonderful. I make a lot of money. I'm so rich. Oh my god. You want to buy a house? You want to buy your car? You have no work. It's funny, man. It's very funny, man.
Take off your clothes.
You gonna be at me?
You go in bed.
Yes, let's go. You can join me.
You have to go with your phone and so on.
Yes, everything. We go back where they came.
Stop in there.
Right. Don't think you have to
Come.
start with this collapse.
Come go bed, man. Come go bed. Y'all smell all weird. What it smells up? You know what you tell me last night? You mean no me there? You come in junk. You say you smell one weird. You tell me everything. You do work with your sister do. You come down and say you pay your own rent. I want to lie when you tell me your mother.
I don't know what we are talking about. Because if me drunk, we are listen to what me say when me drunk. That makes sense? I know me not tell them nothing. Last night. So
You tell me everything. Remember people talk the truth when they're drunk, you know? So either you tell your mother or me I go tell your mother. Because I can't believe say you really could come, boy.
We can't. Alright. What do you want? Just go on. Just go on. I don't even want to talk to you right now. Just go on.
Just remember, so never tell your mother if you tell your mother. Just remember.
Just please, just don't tell her. We just have to think about something first. Please, please.
Miss Valley, I come to tell you something me here yesterday. Kiera, she now come to school. Me now see her. She a do work where you know Lacey, her sister from her father's side. She a do same work where her sister do. And I can't believe that she gone in and that they work there. All when she tell us that she move come to school, but she a work and pay. Her apartment, she there do work where her sister do. She no come and no school. She done with school all long. And she only tell me say her sister pay rent for which part she there, and she tell me say me never did if tell you. All of them just they are going and you don't know.
But Jesus, you sure about what you're talking about?
Very, very sure.
Roshan, my good daughter.
Yes.
Where they at college.
She gone bad now.
Me have to go read it. Start to know if something goes off it true.
Something goes over through mood and tell if you call her right now, she not there at school.
Or because you're not broke up, that's why you can't tell me.
No, Miss Valley, and not because of that. That she a do for true. Moon come up here and tell lie.
Me not believe you. My pitney, my good pitney. Me not believe what you talk say.
Miss Valley, I swear unto the God, me not tell you no lie. But if you don't want to believe me, me a go. I swear in Miss Valley, me not tell you no lie.
Alright,
But it's
Roshan.
alright.
Alright, Roshan.
Yeah.
Where are?
Open the door now.
Me tell us me head done. When me pull the door for where are? Where you come here for? Go on in your yard.
Me tell your mother everything, you know.
Where you tell my mother?
No red, man. Me tell your mother everything. So just, but we can't pull the door.
My mother not gonna believe it anyway. So go on.
Alright.
So mommy, what go on? You know everything alright? What go on around your house?
Roshan, come this morning, come check me. And me can't believe where him tell me say. Him tell me say you're gonna link head with your sister and I work with your sister and then kind of something there and you now go to college and something. How that go?
Mommy, you that he really come around and come tell you?
Yes.
You know there's something wrong with him? Mommy, I said you, but I tell you. Rashan cheat for me, that's why I break up with him. I said you break up with him and that's why my mother not talk like that. So that would be really believe that you're nice daughter. Why me I can't call it you and I make you proud? Me exam them, me have a do exam, me just don't do and I say me I can link you. You really be
Me not really,
you wicked and lie.
me not really believe, but me still have to ask you.
You know my not there today. Moment, this is not more where Rashan till you here. Anyways, we are do you go cook or I'm cook for you. Anyways, although I not go stay long, I have to go back. We have to go back to the school before certain hours because then we have to get pan with.
Because you can't cook quick enough, you can't go and do that for me.
So come on, mommy, I go over Miss Joyce.
Remember say me not really got people here, you know. Me like
True.
me own here.
So come on, mommy.
Enormous, instantaneous.
Girl, me want to close everything. What? Then I must see one night when we go out and come home, we well drunk. Listen, man. My ex-boyfriend is not there. Sit down. At least I never know exactly what happened, but I'm just moving there. The morning now, when time I wake up, he sit down right on bed foot. Me did drunk and I tell him everything and wait. Then me run him now and tell him to come back here. Never exactly run him the same time, but listen, Jesus, I can't chat. Yeah, then he go tell my mother. He come back the next day. But he tell my mother everything. When we go over mommy evening, this evening, today he come here. Girl name me I nearly forgot. Today he come here when we go over mommy this evening. Mommy I talk about Russian come tell her say me and look at my sister. If something go, no mommy me and my sister I thought they going to college and I doing my assignments and I go make up. That we will me tell the college we can't manage them Sunday right now. Anyways, girl, for work, I'm excited for tonight. Alright now me hot like a fire. You know what tell me about? Alright now. Me I come run here for me, because you're just slow. And the reason why I never come around here because nosy I go take long. So every time I just come right now and go and roll a lap till already. Because gosh it's terrible. I'm coming right now, so just stop in there and go off on my phone. You go on. Don't follow too much chat. Me coming.
Enormous, continuous.
So I bring you here. Why you look so?
Boy, sis, you know I say something good on the door. Boy, I don't even know if you say this right now. Me in trouble. You remember the night? Ladies' night? When we did wear the well hot clothes and you tell me say 2 or 3 we can expect to deal with tonight or whatever. Well, the night they know, 2 of them we did get. One in a car back and one on my back part appear. And boy, I don't know, I wake up about 2 weeks after I wake up. I have vomit and sick, but I never pay that no mind. When I reach 3 weeks now, I extend. I go get one PP stick, sister, and I pharmacy. And I'm pregnant now, and I know what to do. And you get me now, so you have to get me now.
Okay. So you pregnant? Gee, Kiera, I'm tell us you have to be smart and this thing, you know. You know what you have to go do now, right? You know what you have to go do?
What have to do?
You see the boy when you talk to a school, you go tell him see a fee. Because then the man, they are married man. Then the man, they not go take that the responsibility. They are funny man, then come for having you go and open your foot and go and breed.
Man, I'm foolish with that, you know. Oh, if I go. Look, you tell myself to stop talking to you, but I'm not talk to you boy for 2 weeks. You think you boy idiot? Oh, I forgot to tell him to make me a breed female, me and him do that in 2 weeks. How me and him breed? From long distance, yeah, come on me yard, come knock and me no answer. How you get me in this, so you have to get me on.
Yeah, I blame myself. I blame myself because I'm an idiot. I get you in this yes, but you enjoy the riches. And then you as them, I tell us say always use protection, Kiera. I always tell us say use protection. No, it's sex sweet, you. So you're going to lay down and you just take it so. till you make man breed. You go tell that boy, say you never know, say you're pregnant. You not talk 2 weeks now. Tell him, say, after any time you're pregnant, you have to do something before something. Dear come and tell us, say, them man there, they don't want no responsibility. Unless you want to breed and care that thing, and in no father, and in no auntie neither.
You see for this? Me hate you, I don't want to chat back to you for the rest of my life. I don't want nothing to do with it. My mother did it right. You have bad news. You sick my stomach.
You eat me eat it. Me eat you first. Me eat you, you dirty woman. But you come out and me and dog come back in your boy, you go and breed it.
Relax now, Kiera. Just come over here for me, please. Me just want to talk to you. Please, mommy, you can't explain myself. Just come over here now. Sean, first of all, I just want to apologize to you for everything. You did right, my sister bad news. We get caught up, and right now, me in a deep problem, me I tell you. Right now, I'm pregnant, and my sister want me to tell you, she want me to tell her, say, I'm pregnant for you. I'm not telling her a lie. I love you, and my sister just influenced me and just make me just blind me to say could somebody me have and feel so mad at me. I don't know why me make she just spin me and turn me into one big idiot. Me just want to say me sorry, I ask her please forgive me. I don't know what else to say, just please just forgive me. Find me out, forgive me. Please, Sean.
This one me there talk to you. I mean ask you, you know? I ask you say make sure you not do work with your sister do. And I say, yes, so Sean, yes. Be sure you not date me and what they gonna do. And really. You tell me lie. Much time you tell me lie. You left me. You know how I feel when you left me? Eh? You broke my heart. I should even know what me I got through. But anyway, still, everybody make mistake. I'm forgive you.
Rashawn, me sorry. Really and truly. When I tell us about my sister give me money for rent, yes, so, and my sister give me no money. But the coffee is there with her for 2 nights.
Remember, say me the ask you know.
Rashawn, me know, just listen up, hear me out now, please. We did go out in a night. 2 months.
You get pregnant.
50,000 and that's when I come get for rent, yes, I'm pay for rent and deposit. But I'm glad you find you have to forgive me, but I just want you to help me do one more something. First, I can't stay here, so because I can't be down.
Your mother know about this?
No, that I call you for mom. I just want to talk to you, apologize, I'm very sorry. And I want you to follow me go to my mother now so that we can come clean and tell her everything.
Boy, man, tell you now. This a go look bad for you, because your mother go say she had Senegal school, she worked hard earn money, Senegal school, and you look, you not go to school, you got pregnant, you get pregnant. You see them there sitting there? And then if you never there, Senegal school, now you're not say, boy, mommy, I send me to school and and I want to go to school. But you go to school and you got to do foolishness. You see? That happened to you, you know. You make your sister lay there straight. Come on.
Evening, mommy.
Even Miss
Good
Val.
evening.
Yes.
What now?
Me feel so shame and embarrassed. I don't even know how to tell you, but me I go come clean and I go tell you the truth about everything. Everything done to school, lazy, and the place where me dey a stay, and everything we are going currently are going now in my life. Because I'm gonna get too craven.
What you say? What you tell? What you say to me? What you really say to me? So you get mixed up in a bad company with Lacey?
You remember when me tell us say about me get place to stay upon the school? That was a lie. Lacy influenced me to do what she had do. Me stay with her 2 days, 2 nights over she house. And in the night then we go out to man and we get money. And we rent the place. And that me do when me did tell her say, me did that. When me come and me tell her say me I do classwork and something all the time them. Me never did that do no classwork. Lacey influenced me and me did that with her. And now, 3 weeks ago, she did have some. You remember the night when we cook for you?
Yes.
The night there, something did go on. And she did set up 2 man for me. And I don't know what happened, but for 2 weeks I did have it and I never know what go on. I find out say I'm pregnant after 2 weeks. That make 3 weeks now. I go to her this morning, I tell her, and she say I feel her business and me so I run her, I tell her say I hate her and I chat back to her, and she didn't even want me to stuck up on Russian. So I call Russian, I apologize to him and I tell him everything, and he said I come over here to you. So I come down and tell you, and me sorry, me disappointed me, but I just want more. Like college is not too much for me, so I just want more, and then I go want too much done.
But Kiera, I can't believe you. Kiera really disappoint me. After me talk to you so much, I want you feel nobody link with link head with Lacey. Me can't believe. Kiera, you put me good. Kiera, really?
I'm sorry.
You put me good. Me can't believe you. Kiera, you really let me down.
I'm sorry.
Oh Jesus, my God.
I never come to you for like Jamaican, I come to you for come clean me. And plus the place where me now go can't stay there no more. And Lacey say me can't go tell him man them. Because the 2 of them are married man and they now go business with me. So when me just ask you please to forgive me, we stay here for me. Me did have some money from the night them when time me did sell. We just give you and you just help me out. Me and me now go do no abortion.
after all them something in your life, you have to just remember your mistake. Alright, sweets?
Alright.
So see about that. Now I'm something to go do it, so I need to check them out.
If you hear my voice, that means I reach the end of the movie. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, comment down below. Let me know if you see anything or know that I say you want to go fix up. Also, let me know. Everybody's opinion matter, so we can do better next time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next movie. Big up on yourself. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. If you're new, welcome. Join the gang. You won't regret it. Big up on yourself. Alright guys, so we did do the outro and I forgot. I don't know how comes, but we forgot to mention. The reason why we take so long for post, we can have a little problem. Russian's mom. I don't know how to say it. I don't really want to expose all our information on here, so but she have surgery to do, and it would have really been nice if anybody can help Russian out. I would have really appreciate it. I do this for you because they really want to help, and some people don't like beg him. You know Russian theory. He not gonna come and just say it and say it with that one. So anything you have one because if you whatever if you help do the surgery, we not go expose all that information. If you not text me, we can then tell you no further on, but I'm not gonna say it over this everybody here. So just please help me out, would I really appreciate it. I'm gonna put my information from the video on if you text me from, and thanks for watching again. Big up on yourself.